Are you a reader? An avid fan of books? If you are, then this is the perfect video for you to watch because if reading is your hobby, then I'm about to tell you exactly how you can make money out of doing the very thing you love. But quicker disclaimer, even if you're not a fan of reading, but just a fan of making money, then this video is still for you because I will also be showing you a few hacks you can do to skip the reading part and just go directly to the money-making part. Just keep watching this video because I guarantee whether you're a bookworm or not, you're gonna be picking up some very practical tips you can use to make money passively online. Welcome to Money Anytime, where we share money-making tips and tricks through online means. The methods and ideas that we will share are guaranteed up-to-date and surely doable at home, so you can earn money anytime. So if that's what you were looking for, don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so that you'll be the first to know what next money-generating trick we have got up our sleeves. You can also leave a comment below if you've got questions or other methods that you want to learn about. But for now, let's go back to the video. Okay, so books. There are actually two kinds available on the market. Well, three if you want to be more specific. The hardbounds, the paperbacks, and the ebooks. Two are printed and one is available digitally, but another kind is making waves on the market. We all know how fast-paced and busy life has become for most of us, right? Whether it's taking care of the children, being a stay-at-home mom, work, businesses, it's a lot of things really, but no matter what your chosen path in life is, the one common thing all of us have right now is we don't really have the time. We just don't. We constantly are busy. We're always running around doing one thing or another, and we often find ourselves without any time left to devote to the things that we love. And that includes reading. And that's where this new kind of book comes in. Well, technically, it's not new anymore since it's been around for quite some time, but it has become more and more popular over the years. And that is the audiobook. Just download it, play it, and you can listen to it on your commute to work, while you're at home eating, or doing whatever else. It gives us the perfect balance between our busy lives and our need to enrich our souls with books. And more people are getting on the audiobook train. So how do we use this to our advantage? I'm gonna tell you, but first, have you subscribed to our channel yet? If you haven't, please hit the subscribe button and give the notification bell a ring to make sure you get updates whenever we have new uploads. We're always making new content on how you can make money online easily, so be sure you subscribe so you don't miss out. So now, let's go back to the video. We've established that there's a niche in the market for audiobooks. How do we insert ourselves into this market and cash in on the ever-growing demand for audiobooks? Well, by making one ourselves. Now, how do you make an audiobook and earn from it? First things first, you don't even have to be an author to do it. If you have your own book at the ready, then good. But if you don't, that's not a problem because I'm gonna show you how to do it. First of all, let's check out the website called acx.com. If you go to their homepage, you will find this. This website turns your book into an audiobook. You can then earn a lot of money through this site by selling your audiobooks. If you click on the What You Need to Get Started button, you will be taken to this page. Here you will find different categories for author, narrator, publisher, and etc. If you're a writer, if you have your own book, obviously you can click on the author or author who narrates button. But if you're not, then let's focus on the narrator button. But first, you have to create an account. Click on the Sign Up Now button and fill out the necessary details. Now that you have your account, you can go ahead and click on that narrator button. Here, you're actually trying to get the author's attention so that basically they'll hire you to read for them. You can do this indirectly by uploading samples into your profile or by auditioning. If you want to go with the first one, you can choose from thousands of books you can create your samples from. Make as many samples as you can based on your accent, genre, and style to open yourself up to as many possibilities as you can and to make yourself as diverse as possible for authors. The second way is more direct. If you want to audition, select the book you want to create a sample for, record your sample, and if you're the rights holder's favorite or top choice, then you will get an offer. If you do get offers, the next step would be to accept the offer. And once you've done that, you then get to negotiate the terms. You can actually choose between two payment schemes. If you and the rights holder agreed on a pay-for-production fee, you will be paid directly by the rights holder. If you produce the audiobook as a royalty share deal, then you'll be paid based on 50% on the royalties on sales. ACX.com also helps by promoting your audiobook if you have one of your own by selling it on Amazon.com, iTunes, and Audible. Quite direct, right? But there is a hack to this. As easy as this is, you can actually make it easier. But before we go into that, are you enjoying this video so far? What do you think about audiobooks, and do you think they're particularly profitable? Let us know your thoughts by telling us in the comment section below. And while you're at it, please give this video a thumbs up. So for the hack, if you're not particularly good at audio recordings, maybe your voice isn't as pleasing or your accent is too heavy, or maybe you just don't feel like it, I'm gonna show you a hack you can use. ttsreader.com is a website that allows you to just basically copy and paste whatever text it is that needs to be turned into an audio file. So what you do is choose the book, copy a particular passage you want to make a sample of, paste it onto this portion here, and that's it. The wonderful thing about this website is it allows you to choose whatever voice you need based on accent, language, and diction. Also, you can adjust the speed to your liking or to the book's specifications. Once that's done, just download the file, go back to your profile on acx.com, and then upload this audio sample. Done! You didn't have to do a single recording yourself. Another website that does the same thing is naturalreaders.com. It works the same way. All you have to do is just create an account, log in, follow the instructions, download the file, and then upload it onto your acx.com profile. But we are almost at the end of the video. Have you subscribed yet? If you haven't yet, please do, and while you're at it, please hit the notification button. We do not want you to miss out on any of our future uploads. As a bonus, I am going to be telling you about one last website you can use to help you on your audiobook journey. If the voices in the first two websites I told you about are too robotic, then give Fiverr.com a try. This is an outsourcing website, and here you can hire talents for basically whatever you need. But since we're focused on audiobooks here, let's look for voiceover talents. On the search bar, type voiceover and you will immediately be shown the available talent you can hire. Browse these, and once you've settled on a profile and if the price is right for you, give that a click and you will be put in touch with that talent. You negotiate, settle on the specifics like which parts you want to be read, what the rates are, and all that. Once that's settled, get the recording done, get the file, and again go back to acx.com and upload it onto your profile for it to start selling. And that's it. Your journey begins. Did you find this video helpful? If you did, please give us a thumbs up or a comment or both. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Good luck and see you on our next video.